I wonder how fast I'm going to gag on this one. Anyways, my wife is giving me so much support, I can already hear her puking in the background. Saw this new Mountain Dew around. Figured I'd give it a try. Badlands managed to drink it, so must be palatable.
Don't see your face.
Yeah. So, Flamin Hot Mountain Dew. How bad can it be? Well, let's find out. Got my trusty barf bucket right down here. Let's see what happens. Can I drink it or will I puke it? The seal is broke. Here's gagging for you. Interesting smell.
You ought to buy some bigger, regular.
I have to agree with Badlands Chugs. Bit of an orange flavor to it. Tiny bit of heat. Definitely feel it in the back of the throat.
All the way down to the stomach.
Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm kind of surprised. It kind of tastes like they redid Livewire with it. You want to try a drink?
No,
It's not even. I'm not even heating up.
I don't care. That's you.
Come on, sissy.
Yeah, I'm a big sissy.
Come on. A little sip ain't gonna kill you.
No,
I barely feel any heat.
I don't care.
Come on.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
Come on. You like the orange flavored Mountain Dew?
Yeah, well, that's cinnamon crap.
This ain't cinnamon.
Yeah, it's hot.
Just try a sip. It ain't gonna hurt you.
Oh.
Come on, guys. Let's give her a cheer.
You want me to puke?
Let's give her a cheer. Let's get her to try a sip of it.
Yeah, hon. Spit it at you. You are a fucking glutton for punishment.
The fun of marriage. You can share suffer. I don't think she likes it.
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
There's nothing to it.
I tasted orange.
I don't taste shit.
Well, the missus don't like it. I've drank worse. Like most Game Fuel and Kickstarters. Gotta say, I agree with Badlands. Bit of an orange flavor. Not that much spice, really. I was kind of hoping for it to be hotter. But then again, after all the crazy tests or challenges I've done, I can see why it's not that hot. Anyways, Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. It's okay. Stomach feels fine. Haven't had to fill up the bucket. I think I'm doing good. We'll see what happens next time.